Hello everyone, and welcome to yet another video on my YouTube channel Mr. B Does Electronics. So today in this video I'll be showing off this IoT bedside digital clock powered by an ESP8266 with a lot of features like Bluetooth speaker, wireless charging and many more. So if this is something that piques your interest, sit back, relax and enjoy the video, and I will show off how I built this one, what all the parts that are required, and as usual the coding as well as the circuit diagram will be given in the description below. Kindly check it out. So let's not waste any more time and get into the video.
So this is how the clock looks on a bedside table. It's made out of MDF board, the main box of the casing, and there is a Bluetooth speaker underneath with the passive radiators on both the sides. On top there is a small night light, and right beside it there is a wireless charger, and in the front there are 6 pieces of 8x8 red dot matrix board which is connected to an ESP8266 on which the whole coding is running. And as we can see right now, the black wire that is coming from the right hand side is the power wire, and the other one that is a pass-through of a micro USB cable which serves as the power to the ESP8266, and the pass-through is coming through the wireless charger as is visible through the transparent top cover with the wires being visible. And right in between the wireless charger and the night light there is a small regulator which produces 5 different modes for the night light with varying brightness. So that was a nice touch in my opinion. And along with it, to give it a certain height, there are 4 legs with the rubber gasket fitted so that it doesn't slip. In my opinion, it's quite a clean build being a DIY device. And at the back, as you can see right now, the amplifier is also visible. Now I'm focusing on the wireless charger. This has been taken out from a old Samsung wireless charger. Now as you can see, the phone is being charged. So this is the wireless charger. It's mostly held in by hot glue as is evident from here. It's a messy job, but it works. It works quite well. So what I did is I took it out of the casing and I just soldered the wires manually and also soldered the pass-through micro USB cable. So these 8x8 red dot matrix boards or displays can be really bright, so I just attached a LDR or a light sensor to A0 pin and made the brightness control automatic. The amplifier that is visible here is a 3-volt amplifier running a single speaker on a battery. So this is the underside of the build, and those are the 4 feet with the rubber stoppers. That is the main speaker of the Bluetooth speaker, and up top there is a net to protect the speaker. This is taken from a car speaker that I have repurposed, the cover up top, and those are the passive radiators that I was talking about, one on each side as I'm showing right now. So this is the DIY micro USB cable which is supplying the 5-volt power to the ESP8266 as well as the red dot matrix board up front. So this is the single power source running off of a 5-volt 3-amp power adapter that I'm showing right now. This power goes through the wireless charger, the night light, and also through that pass-through DIY cable to the ESP8266. The Bluetooth amplifier setup runs separately off of a battery which can be charged separately. So this is the top view of the device. To make the passive radiators work, I had to glue shut the cabinet, so I cannot show you the inside of this cabinet what is going on, but basically I can show you the connection on an extra set of 8x8 dot matrix board and an extra ESP8266. And as usual, the circuit diagram or the connection diagram will also be given in the description below. You can refer off of that. So the VCC and the ground will obviously connect to the 3.3 volt and the ground connection pin of the ESP8266. The DIN, CS and the clock pins will be connected to the ESP8266 as shown on the screen right now. You can also change them according to your need in the code also, and accordingly the pins will also change, so that is up to you. So now I am supplying the same 5 volt 3 amp from the same power source that was running the bedside clock to this one, to show you that it's still working when everything is still the same, so it's nothing different on the inside. So it is getting the data from the NTP server, and it just received the correct time of my location. So this is how it looks in the dark. It has got automatic brightness control, so it's not a matter, it won't burn your eyes out. So the light show at the beginning was the wireless charger getting ready, and automatically just like that it grabbed the date, time, weather, everything for the given location within the code. And because of the LDR or the automatic brightness control, it's actually really soothing and it's practical to keep in your room and use it as a everyday clock, and it is not just a DIY project, it's actually practical. So that is the night light that we can turn on and off if required.
Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes.
So I hope all of you really enjoyed this video. If so, consider subscribing to my channel, like, share and comment your ideas in the comment section below. I read each and every one of them and reply back as soon as possible. And because of all of your support, my viewers and my subscribers, I have been steadily growing, and I am at now 250 strong subscriber, and all thanks to you, the viewers. Keep supporting and help me grow. The pandemic is still not over, so I'll urge you to mask up, use sanitizer and stay indoor if possible. And until the next video, stay safe and peace.